You know, I had this dream since I was a child, and I'm finally starting to work towards it.
Oh my God, that's so inspiring to hear.
Honestly, it feels both exciting and terrifying at the same time.
I feel the same way about my dreams. It's like a mix of hope and nervousness.
Welcome to JA Info Urdu, where we practice English through meaningful conversations.
I really enjoy this channel. It helps me express myself better in English.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to support your English learning journey.
I'm subscribing right now. This is exactly what I need.
I've always wanted to open my own restaurant. Something small and cozy.
That sounds wonderful. I can already imagine the atmosphere.
Wow, that's amazing. What kind of books do you want to write?
I want to write travel books, sharing stories from different cultures and places.
I love that. Travel and writing go so well together.
Thank you. I think experiences make the best stories, honestly.
The biggest challenge is probably the fear of failure. You know?
I completely understand. I worry about that too with my writing.
Yeah, exactly. And also the financial risk involved.
Yes, and also wondering if people will actually like what I create.
That's true. I never thought about it that way.
Sometimes we need someone else to remind us that trying is already success.
Well, I'm planning to start with a food truck first. Test the market.
That's such a smart approach. Less risk and you can learn as you go.
Right, taking small steps feels less overwhelming.
Exactly, and it gives you confidence to keep moving forward.
Thank you so much. That means a lot to me.
You're welcome. I really believe you'll make it happen.
Keep dreaming big and practice your English with JA Info Urdu. Your support helps us create more content like this.
Absolutely, and thank you JA Info Urdu for bringing us these beautiful conversations to learn from.